Matalo fatu I le neitai a fou. Welcome to Samalaeulu Savaii. Le umato iai I le nofoanga mua le nei e amatali ai I le poloketi o le MAD4SAMOA, making a difference. And if you can look around, the place here is a new place that is just cultivated. And the families here have no water supply. And this is the first house that we're going to install our first water tank. And our water tanks is already at the Samalaeulu Sda church. And this Friday, we're going to make a difference to the life of this family. So, thank you. Welcome. Again, we are here in Samalaeulu. And this is the second home that we are going to install 2,000 water liter tank. But we have a problem here and a need here because the family that we are going to put a tank doesn't have a roof, like an iron roof, to catch the water. And praise the Lord that we are going to make a roof here at this space. They got a water tank down there, like the base. But we are going to make more difference to this family because we are going to make a roof, actual roof, to catch the water and install the water tank. So thank you for joining us. We'll keep in touch.